one or two pieces of advice I would say here, though. I think it's really important, especially early on, and even as they get older, to praise when they come to you with questions. And one of my favorite things, I think everyone should just steal this and write this down, is say this to your child when they ask you something important or big. Say, "Oh, that's a fantastic question. I love when you come to me with your questions." That is such a powerful statement. And you're reinforcing that, like, that's what you want. You really do want that. You might not always be prepared for their questions, and some of them might concern you, surprise you, you name it. Okay. And the other second piece of advice is to get a really good poker face. Put your poker face down. Your poker face is one where you do your best to not show a lot of expression, or just don't give your mood away so quickly when they come to you with something. I think a lot of times as parents, we're very quick to go to a concerned state.
Okay.
We're very quick to go to there. And I want you to try to go to curiosity before you go to concern. So, "Oh, that's a great question. Where did you hear about that?" Or, "Tell me what you've heard about that." And watch your tone. Be careful of your tone, because "Where did you hear about that? That's a great question." Sounds very different than "Where did you hear about that?"
Right. Yeah. Why are you asking me that? Where did you hear about that?
Where did that come from?
Right. Totally.
Now you sound very concerned, worried, and they'll sense that immediately. And you will not feel like a safe person to go to with your questions.